Children, in the last class, if you remember, we had kept the food grains outside in the sun to remove the excess moisture from it. Now the seeds have dried and are ready for storage. Children, the food grains are stored in a suitable storage. Now you may have a question, what is the meaning of suitable storage? First, children, if we want to store the food grains on a domestic level, food grains are stored in small containers made of tin coated iron or mud clay. On the other hand, on commercial scale, food grains such as wheat, rice, gram, etc. are stored either in gunny bags or in grain silos. There are some perishable food materials like fruits, vegetables, etc., which have very short shelf life under ordinary conditions. These food materials can be stored safely at low temperatures. Just like we store the perishable food materials in an ice box or in a refrigerator at homes, in the same way, on commercial scale, the perishable food materials are stored in deep freezers or cold storages. A deep freezer is a room-like cabinet maintained at low temperature by using the principle of refrigeration. On the other hand, a cold storage is a godown-like large enclosure maintained at low temperature by large refrigeration machines. Plants and animals both are the major sources of our food. Children, in the previous class, we have seen that the process of crop production involves a number of steps known as agricultural practices. First, preparation of soil. Second, sowing of seeds. Third, adding manure. Fourth, irrigation. Fifth, protection from weeds. Sixth, harvesting. And seventh, storage. So you saw that a lot of care and scientific approach is required for proper yield of crops. Similarly, we have to provide the animals also with proper living environment and healthy diet to obtain edible food products like milk, meat, eggs, honey, etc. from them. The breeding, feeding, and caring of all domesticated and useful animals are called animal husbandry. These animals are reared for food and other purposes. Few examples of animal husbandry are: first, dairying. You can take a look at the picture on your screen. Dairying is the rearing of cattle for producing milk and milk products on a large scale. Second is poultry. Poultry is the rearing and breeding of poultry birds like chicken, hen, ducks, geese, etc. for eggs and meat. The third picture is of fisheries, which is the production of fish on a large scale by farming fish culture in fish nurseries called hatcheries. Children, with this, we come to the end of the chapter of bio, which is crop production and management. I'm sure you must have understood the chapter. Please go through all my videos carefully, and if you have any doubt, please ask me. Thank you.